Hey guys, what's up? This is Hifsa. Welcome to Copywriting with Hifsa. Most copywriters only talks about how to write headline. They give you formulas, rule, templates, examples, but nobody talks about how to write sub-headline. They give you a little definition but not proper lecture on how to write sub-headline. And as a beginner, it's confusing. We start thinking like, where should I write? What should I write? Should it be creative? Should it match the headline? And the confusion is real. I've been there too. The method I'm going to share in this video is not a professional textbook rule. It's created by me with the help of ChatGPT. It works for me, maybe it's work for you as well. But first you need to understand the difference between headline, sub-headline, and purpose and definition of headline, sub-headline. I already explained clearly in my previous video how to write sales page for beginners step by step. If you don't watch this video yet, you can watch here, maybe in my description. But let me give you a little recap. Headline purpose is make readers stop attention grabbing, and the purpose of sub-headline clear the promise of headline and make reader keep scrolling. So without further delay, let's start. Number 1, testimonial transformation headline. The structure of this formula is I achieve result by action before problem after benefit. I lost 5 kg in 2 weeks by using this simple meal plan. Before I felt bloated and tired. Now I feel energetic and confident. The headline of this sub-headline is the simple meal plan that actually works. Now you can see the difference. Headline is short, emotional and attention grabbing, versus the sub-headline is tells the full story and give you a before and after result. Don't worry if you don't have real testimonial. You can practice by imaginary examples. Number 2, curiosity secret headline. Structure is most people don't know hidden tip. It can result benefit. Most people don't know this breakfast trick. It can boost your metabolism and burn fat faster. And the headline of this sub-headline is this morning habit change everything. Curiosity headline works because people want to know the answer. That's why curiosity headline and sub-headline works, because when the human brain see the gap, they want to fill it, they want to know the answer. That's why people keep scrolling to want to know the answer. Number 3, benefit value sub-headline. Structure is get benefit result without pain struggle. Get glowing skin in 7 days without expensive cream and harsh treatments. And headline of this sub-headline is glowing skin made simple. And always focus on your audience gain, not on your sale, because benefit is more important than the features, and your product result is more important for your audience than the whole product process. Number 4, listicle step headlines. Structure X simple steps or ways to achieve result. 3 simple steps to make a healthy smoothie that boost your energy every morning. And headline is boost your energy daily. This kind of headline works because people loves numbers, especially odd numbers. Why? Because it's scannable and it's feel actionable and it feels simple. That's why this kind of headline or sub-headline works so well. Number 5, how to sub-headline. Structure how to achieve result in time or simple way without pain and frustration. How to cook delicious 50-minute dinner without spending hours in the kitchen. And headline is dinner without stress. This kind of headline converts because it's simple and beginner friendly and problem solving. One important thing is not important that if your headline is how to, your sub-headline must be how to. You can mix and match the formulas, and the biggest purpose of the sub-headline is clear the promise of headline. So you can mix and match the formulas. So that's it for today's video. Now pause this video and practice. Try to create 5 to 10 sub-headline by using this structure formula. And in the next video, I will share sales page structure 3 build-up section, where we turn interest into the desire. And if you are learning copywriting as a beginner and you want step-by-step simple guidance without confusion, so subscribe to this channel and like this video and stay with me on this journey. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.